calling the same function many times with different arguments.
Hi! In the previous video, we saw how to give different inputs using arguments. So, we ran the code again and again, and every time we ran the code, we gave different input. Remember? Let us compare this with our favorite lift example again. Imagine you and your friend want to go to different floors at the same time. Just think if your friend uses the lift first to go to his floor and then you wait for the same lift to come back and take you to your floor. It is crazy, right? It would be very easy if both of you can call the lift at the same time, press different floor numbers and go to different floors, correct? If you want to go to the third floor, your friend wants to go to the fourth floor and another friend wants to go to the seventh floor, what will you do? You will call the lift and you and your friends will press 3, 4 and 7 as floor numbers at the same time and the lift stops at 3 different floors, right? Can we do the same thing with functions? Instead of running the code again and again, can we make it simple by giving 3 different inputs at the same time? Is it possible? Yes. But how? Remember, we know how to call the same function many times. We know that, correct? So we are going to use that concept. It is very interesting. In this video, let us see how to do that with the same example we know very well. Now, let us go to Python and take the same previous code. In this code, we know very well that we have an empty variable a where we can give different arguments. First, let us give 3 as argument inside the brackets when calling the function. So, we write print underscore number open bracket close bracket. Put 3 inside the bracket. Next, we want to give 4 as an argument. In the previous video, we deleted 3 and put 4. But now, we are not going to do that. Then how can we give a different argument? Instead of deleting, we are going to call the function one more time. So, we are going to keep that statement without deleting it and write another new statement. We are going to call the same function again and this time we put 4. So, press enter
And then we write
print underscore number open bracket close bracket. Put 4 inside the brackets. Next, let us call the function once again and give 7 as argument inside the brackets. Press enter
and then we write
print underscore number open bracket close bracket. Write 7 inside the brackets. So here, did you notice that we have called the same function 3 times using different arguments at the same time? Now save the file and run the code. The output printed is 3, 4 and 7. Yes, here we call the same function many times with different arguments and got different output. It is just like how 3 of you called the same lift and gave different floor numbers to go to each of your homes at the same time. I hope you understand now how to give different inputs at the same time by calling the same function many times. See you all in the next video where we shall see an interesting assignment. Bye bye.